Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
So you have learned how to write a playbook well. You have learned how to work with the inventory. You have learned how to variables inventory. You have learned playbook, command line, ad hoc task, playbook, but you have not learned how to manage a multiple playbook. That's the only things which is pending. So guys, any questions you have before me talking about this last topic before roles? Any topic, any questions which you have? Guys, are you there? Today I'm finding people are not
I think you can continue.
respond. Okay. So guys, this is the questions which I'm trying to answer. How to manage multiple playbook? How to manage tasks in multiple YAML file? I said task, mind it. Okay, keywords. I will ask one more questions. How to manage multiple playbook? That's the second question. This is the topic which I'm going to teach you. And for that, before that, I would like to share one reference with you for you, and that is Ansible include. Spelling mistake. This is the one which I'm going to open, though there are so many articles are there. You can read in the offline hours. This is the reference. So guys, there are two statements. How to manage task in multiple YAML file. Let's say you don't want to keep all of your task in one YAML. Why? Because it's a management skill. You want to organize in a proper way. So Dutch Ansible allow you this stuff? Yes, of course. So let's get started. I'll copy a simple YAML file for explanation and read it. Guys, look at this here. This is the one or two play. You have a two play here, right? In this one, the selected code, how many play you have? How many?
Those are two tasks, right?
I think it's a two play, right?
Yes, we used.
Think, guys, we have 20 people in this room. So think and tell me, because I cannot move without getting that answer from you. How many play we have here? And by the way, this is the last day of the training. I checked my calendar. So guys, I need you all to be serious. Just give me one more day. I will not asking too much. Just give me 8 more hours, and end of the day you should be in a comfortable state of using the Ansible in your infrastructure. So the question is here, the selected code, how many play we have?
1.
1. So why you said 2? So the people responded, Suresh, Devavarta, Raja. So why you feel is a 2 play? Reasoning? So guys, I hope you remember I said definition of play in a very straightforward manner. And let me recall this. Let me take you to that part actually. And then only you decide. I'm not going to teach you. You decide and teach me. And here if I go definition for playbook, huh? This is a playbook, guys. Definition. So tell me, what is this? Playbook has play. Each play has host and task. So now look at this code here again. Tell me how many play we have. I said each play has a host and task. So how many play we have?
1.
And how
1.
many tasks we have, guys? How many tasks we have?
2.
2 tasks.
Ah,
2.
this is different. So here, guys, include here is a special syntax which is not representing a task. Mind it here. Here, actually, this is a task. Mind it, please. But this is not a task. Okay, include is a special, you can say, special guy. What exactly include is doing is referring to some file, and the content of file is here. So tell me, stuff.yaml, is it a play or something else? Think and
It's a
tell me,
task.
guys.
Task.
Is a play, right?
It's a task.
Stuff.yaml is one play, correct?
It's a task.
It's a
Are you
task.
sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Because the play should contain host also, right?
Wonderful.
Host and
Yes.
task.
Guys, this is a task file. What is the question? How to manage tasks in multiple YAML file? That was my question. Question mark also. So here you see here, you write a playbook, main.yaml has one play. You don't want to write all the tasks in the same file. So you have extended using include. So here in this file, you may have as many tasks you want it. And look at the task. Module name, parameter, module name, parameter. So like this, you may have a more task like this. See here. Okay. So guys, the question was how to manage multiple tasks in a, how to manage multiple tasks in multiple YAML file. The answer is yes, you can also have tasks in YAML file, and in the play include it at a task label. Okay, so now here host, I'll put it up local host. That means it will include run in the local host. So guys, let me go to the ACS. This is the ACS for the day for all of us. Okay, all of us. The IP address and all I have given assigned already. And Rajesh Mumbai. All of you have to complete the assignment and project at the end of the day, because on basis on those will give you the rank. So it's important for us, all of us, sorry. And certification will be released based on that if you pass or fail. So it's very important for all of us. you also and for me also, right? If you have spent time and if I have spent time, there should be something, right? So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to main.yaml vi main.yaml and here stuff.yaml vi stuff.yaml. I'm putting the local host. It will just check the services started or not. It's already started, I guess. I'll just check. So Ansible hyphen playbook and no hyphen I required. Correct now? Do we need I?
Because we are running in localhost.
Yeah, you got it. So here main.yaml and no authentication or blah 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 is required because it's a local host. And guys, see here debug run and here HTTPD service it didn't run. It says unable to fail to execute. That means maybe HTTPD is not installed actually. That's the reason that message is there. So what is the problem? I don't know. Yeah. Hyphen B because I'm executing through the root CentOS user, right? For that you need a root. So you guys, someone got it. I saw the response in the chat. Who responded? I don't know. So got it. So guys, this is the way the questions is answered. Now, how to manage multiple playbook? That's the next question. Let's get into that. Very carefully, you have to check this. Very carefully. Guys, tell me here, look at this whole program, the one which I'm selected. Look at the whole program, the one which I selected, and tell me how many play we have in this selected code. How many play we have?
2.
Okay. So you tell me, this is a task or play?
Play.
Play.
Wonderful. Guys, this is a task or play?
It's also play.
So guys, this is a play or task?
Sorry, task. It includes.
Mind
It's
it,
an
mind it.
include, not task,
It's
not play.
include. But that represent the play or task?
Task.
Play.
No,
Play.
no,
Play.
sir. Play. Remember, sir, if it is a task, it will be like this. See here. See here where it is hyphen. YAML is very strict in that, you know that. So this is a play, and again, it's one of the member of that particular whole document. This is another play. Which this include represent the play. Earlier, the include was representing as a task label. That's the reason say I include is special one. It can add a task here, but the same statement can add a play also. So mind it. Okay. So guys, this is a document which has a two play. Ultimately, one play is this one. This represent another play which is referring to the another play. Okay. So can I put it up? Okay. So let me just run, just take 2 seconds actually. So here I'll store in the main one dot YAML and stuff one dot YAML here also. So the question was how to manage multiple tasks, complex, so much of tasks and so much of play is answered. It's very simple. Reference URL also have given it, so you can check it out. By the way, I want to do local host only. This one also local host. Same code. and run. No error so far. This time is taking more time, but it's okay. Done, 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 done. Last done. Okay. So guys, did you get this answer for these two questions? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now guys, I want, before me covering the roles, which is just a matter of 5 minutes for me, I want you to do this assignment. ACS is same. All of us have the same directory. Remember, whatever you are writing, we are storing. So you have to do this assignment. This is Ansible Playbook Lab Exercise Part 3. Okay. And after that, I'll talk about the rules. And after that, there will be one project, including galaxies. Then after that, I'll talk about that Ansible with Windows also. Okay. So guys, I'm updating the day 3 notes.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.